Once upon a time, Buddha was visiting a village. A man came up to him and asked him, "Every day you say that everyone can become enlightened. Then why doesn't everyone become enlightened?" "My friend," Buddha replied, "do one thing. In the evening, make a list of all the people in the village and write down their desires next to their names." The man did as Buddha told him. He went into the village and he asked everyone. It was a small village with only a few people, and they gave him their answers. He returned in the evening and gave the list to Buddha. Buddha asked, "So tell me, how many of these people seek enlightenment?" The man was surprised because not a single person had written that he wanted to be enlightened. And Buddha said, "I say that every man is capable of enlightenment, but I do not think that every man wants to be enlightened." And so the man understood. He understood that every man is capable of enlightenment, but that is very different from every man wanting to be enlightened. He understood that if you want something, then consider it to be possible. He understood that if your quest is for truth, then there is no power on earth that can stop you. But he also understood if you don't long for truth, then too, there is no power which can give it to you. You see, in life, they say, be careful what you wish for it may come true. If you really want something, if your thirst for knowledge, if your thirst for something else, if your thirst is a real one, then rest assured that a path is available, that it is possible by all the powers in the universe, and that nothing can stop you. But also, you have to choose the right path. For there is no right or wrong, but the path that you really want in your life. Your thirst will be your path to truth.